We've already seen it in the news a few times this year. Someone's propane leaked, causing a fatality. An RV just simply blew up. A travel trailer blew up due to a gas leak. So the first thing we're going to do is install this GasStop for RVs. It's the 100% automatic shut-off safety valve for propane. What happens is this detects a leak and it shuts off your propane to your camper, and no propane gets in it and leaks. As you'll see, installation is fairly simple. Just open up the blister pack, then you just simply install it. It's a simple install process. Make sure your propane tank is closed. Take off your other unit. Put on the GasStop fitting. Leave your gauge up to where you can see it. Put your other fitting back on. And that's it. Turn on your propane. One specific element I would like to show you here. It says push to reset gas. So it's that simple. You just push down on the gauge itself and it shows you how much propane is in there. All right, so here's your chance to get your own GasStop for your RV. All you have to do is subscribe to the Campsite Cruising channel, comment down below that you subscribed, and let us know what kind of camper that you have. Good luck, everybody. I would also like to mention this contest is not sponsored by any social media outlet, void where prohibited, limited to the United States. Sorry.